Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you will be fine. May Allah bless you in this beautiful area. I hope you will like it, enjoy my unique and very interested areas. So I hope you will like it. This data is stunning in fabulous areas. And friends, I hope you will enjoy my unique salary. These very amazing areas are very beautiful. So friends, I hope you will like it. Is that very pretty and stunning stylish areas. And friends, I hope you will enjoy my unique or very fantastic and different collection. And friends, I hope you will enjoy my unique, so very beautiful, unique and different areas. That's amazing airlines cutter dresses. So friends, I hope you will enjoy my unique. Is that very beautiful? So friends, inshallah, I hope you will enjoy my unique areas. Is that very beautiful? So friends, inshallah, I hope you will enjoy my unique areas are very interested and beautifully. So friends, I hope you will enjoy my unique, so very fantastic collection. So friends, I hope you will enjoy. So friends, these stylish areas are very fantastic and different. So friends, I hope you will enjoy my unique. Is that very beautiful and unique and stylish areas, and hope you will enjoy. That's amazing unique areas. Is that very beautifully. And friends, inshallah, I hope you will enjoy my unique areas. Is that very pretty and stunning, and I hope you will enjoy my unique, so very fantastic areas. Is that very beautifully. So friends, I hope you will like it, enjoy my unique, so very fantastic and different. Is that very beautiful and amazing, unique, new, stylish areas. So friends, I hope you will enjoy my unique or very beautiful. Is that most stunning and very interesting areas, very beautifully. And friends, inshallah, I hope you will enjoy this amazing airlines cutter dresses. So friends, I hope you will enjoy my unique, so very interesting, stylish and different, amazing collection. So friends, I hope you will enjoy my unique areas. Is that very beautiful? I hope you will like it, as that very beautiful and stunning collection. All very different and very beautiful. May like us, enjoy very unique and very interested areas. So friends, I hope you will enjoy my unique, so very